we want to solve the equation 3 sin x plus cos x is 0.5 for values of x between 0 radians and 2 pi radians. We're going to approach this by solving firstly in degrees. Between the same limits would be from 0 degrees through to 360 degrees, and we'll then convert to radians after. We know that 3 sin x plus cos x can be written as root 10 times sine x plus 18.4 degrees. So this is equal to 0.5. Dividing both sides by root 10 then gives that sine of x plus 18.4 degrees is equal to 0.5 divided by root 10. Looking for our principal value, we need to evaluate the inverse sine of 0.5 divided by root 10. This gives us 9.10 degrees, correct to 3 significant figures. If we now look at a cast diagram, A, S, T and C, 9.10 degrees is here in the A quadrant. We have a sine which is positive, so the other will be here in the S quadrant, 9.10 degrees from the horizontal axis. So we now need to look for solutions. Going forward here, the first one is at 9.10 degrees. The next is 9.10 before we arrive at 180, which is 170.9 degrees. Continuing on, we meet no more solutions. So we have that x plus 18.4 degrees is equal to 9.10 degrees, or 170.9 degrees. Subtracting 18.4 from both sides, x is minus 9.3 degrees, or 152.5 degrees. But this is outside the range. It's not between 0 and 360. So let's look for another solution. Let's go forward to here, which is 369.1 degrees. If we subtract 18.4 from this, we get 350.7 degrees, and this is between 0 and 360, so this is a solution that we want. Writing the solutions in order, we have 152.5 degrees and 350.7 degrees. However, we want to give these solutions in radians. To convert degrees to radians, we multiply by pi and divide by 180. So we're going to need to do 152.5 times pi over 180 and 350.7 times pi over 180. This gives me 2.66 radians, and this gives me 6.12 radians. So our solutions in radians are 2.66 radians and 6.12 radians to 3 significant figures.